Hey guys, it's Kelsey from Family of Five Travel. Sometimes my husband and I have to travel without our kids, which is what we recently did when we went to Houston for a work trip. If you are taking a trip to Houston and staying in the downtown area, you must consider the C. Baldwin Hotel. I'm going to share videos of the lobby, bar, restaurant, and a room tour. So stay tuned. By the way, I can say that this hotel is where you need to stay confidently because we were booked at a different hotel that we disliked so much we ended up moving to the C. Baldwin and absolutely loving it. Just a tip, don't book a hotel in the medical center of Houston unless you're visiting Houston for medical reasons. Otherwise, you're going to be surrounded by 5 to 6 hospitals and in a random area hard to get to other places. Okay, back to downtown Houston to the C. Baldwin. It's named after Charlotte Baldwin, a boss babe businesswoman from the 1800s who financed a lot of Houston's first buildings. The hotel definitely has a who runs the world, girls vibe. The lobby is chic, spacious, and modern, and check-in was a breeze. There is a ton of casual seating in the lobby. The center walkway leads to a central bar. The bar is super fun and hopping at night, so be sure to visit for a drink before exploring Houston. There is a fabulous restaurant called Rosalie that serves rustic Italian food and a yummy brunch. There's a photo op spot that's super cute, so snap a pic there. Check out this brunch, a fried chicken and egg sandwich, a breakfast sandwich with arugula and roasted potatoes. It was delicious. Rosalie is so cute and has a 50s vibe. Hey, if you're liking this hotel tour, will you quickly click that like button? Thank you so much. Before we head up to the rooms, let's check out the coffee bar. We stopped here every morning for some caffeine and it was quick and easy. The hallways are super modern and have a cool vibe. The rooms are my favorite. They are chic and modern. This leather pouch is fun. You can hold your room key or other belongings. The bed has a leather headboard and it was super comfortable to sleep in. We had a nice-sized marble table and love seat, which made for a great workspace. We also liked that instead of looking out at a building rooftop, they covered it in this faux grass. Nice touch. Here's the room at night. It had such a nice vibe in the evening with cool lighting. And here it is in the daytime. Just a great amount of space. Beautiful king bed. Let's go into the bathroom. Nice size, modern, chic bathroom. Walk-in shower. A nice touch is that they have full-size toiletries in the bathroom. There are hunter green touches throughout the room. We loved this hunter green closet that held our clothes. The light fixtures were nice next to the leather headboard. The bed was so comfortable. And hunter green accent pillows to finish off the design. If you love this tour, click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my other hotel and resort reviews coming soon. I've linked directly to the C. Baldwin Hotel in the description if you need to book your room.